100% polyester. Imported. Twin-size comforter measures 66 by 90 inches and includes a 20 by 26-inch sham. Perfect for a child's bedroom, guest room, sleepovers, and more. Ultra-soft microfiber construction with plush polyester filling. Comfortable to use in all seasons. Machine washable and dryable. Made in OEKO-TEX Standard 100 factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Top reviews from the United States. This comforter is much nicer than I had expected. Within the past year, my sons both got new comforters for around the same price from Walmart. Those comforters aren't great. The material is uncomfortable, they get lumpy pretty quick, and they even look extremely cheap. I bought these because my youngest son didn't like his blanket and would throw it out of his bed every night. I didn't expect it to be a huge upgrade, but I was pleasantly surprised to see that it really was. These are soft, they look so much nicer, and they're a bit thin, but in a good way. Both of my sons have been really happy with their new comforters, and it's been almost 2 weeks now with no complaints.